You are going to love the 2017 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, remote engine start, power lift gate, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, mini spare tire, privacy glass. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.